Hello everyone. Today we are going to start our next chapter, that is concrete WC ratio. WC ratio is nothing but the water cement ratio in fresh concrete and hardened concrete. Okay. So in that, let's see the first topic, that is definition of concrete. What is meant by concrete? So concrete is defined as a uniform mixture of cement, sand, aggregate and water in prescribed proportion which set, harden and acquired strength over a period of time. Okay, so in that the concreting operation consists of measuring the ingredients. Okay, to measure the ingredients. Ingredients means the cement, sand, aggregate, and water. Okay, these are the concrete ingredients. Then mixing them to obtain a uniform mixture. Then placing the concrete in the mold is known as the formwork. Okay. Then compacting and allowing to set and then curing for appropriate period. Okay. So generally after 28 days, by keeping it constantly moist. Okay. So if concrete of good quality is required, then it is necessary that the quality control must be kept by strict supervision during the step-by-step construction operation. Okay. So let's see the how to supervise and step-by-step concreting construction operations. So in that, first operation is selecting the quantities of material for selected mix proportion. Okay. The next one is mixing all these ingredients. Then next, checking of workability. Then transportation, pouring in the formwork for casting. Formwork is nothing but the mold. Okay. Then vibrating for proper compaction. Then removal of formwork after suitable time. And last one is curing member with suitable method and required time. Okay. These are the step of concreting construction. The next topic is different grade of concrete. Okay. So before that, let's see the necessity of supervision of concreting operation. Okay, why it is necessary. So in that, for mixing correct proportion of ingredients. Then next, to ensuring that the concrete does not set or harden before placing it in the formwork. Then for maintaining water cement ratio for correct strength. Then also it is necessary for correct amount of compaction. Over compaction may be lead to segregation or bleeding, causing honeycombing structure. Okay. Then next, for curing properly and quality good quality concrete as finished product. Okay. These are the necessity. The next, precaution to be taken to avoid wastage of material. So in that, the precaution is mostly proportionate mix shall be taken. Then wet batching should be adopted. Okay. This is the batching method. There are two types of batching method. First one is wet batching and second one is volume batching. So mostly we used wet batching method. Then concrete should be transported quickly to site before it gets set. Then one more precaution is formwork should be leak proof. Okay. The next point is different grade of concrete. So what is the grade of concrete? So grade of concrete is nothing but it is the representation of various ingredients to produce uniform mixture, and it is represented by M10, M20, etc. Okay, so in that M means the mix and suffix 28 represent the suffix 20 means the 28 days compressive strength in Newton per mm square. Okay. This is our the grade of concrete. Okay. The next, let's see the different grade of concrete. So as per the recommendations of Indian standard, grade of concrete based on the 28 days compressive strength, concrete is graded into the 7 grade. Okay. That is M10, M15, M20, M25, M30, M35 and M40. So this is based on the various lab tests. Grade of concrete is presented in the mixed proportion. For example, for M30 grade, the mixed proportion can be 1:1:2, 1:2, 1:2. So where 1 is the ratio of cement, then another one is the ratio of sand, and 2 is the ratio of coarse aggregate based on the volume or weight of materials. Okay. This proportion is based on the batching type, that is the weight batching or volume batching. Okay. Then the strength is measured with the concrete tube or cylinder by civil engineering construction site. So tube or cylinder are made during the casting of structure member, and after hardening it is cured for 28 days, and then compressive strength test is conducted to find out the strength. Okay, so regular grades of concrete is M15, M20, M25, and etc. for plain cement concrete work, and generally M15 is used for reinforced concrete construction. Minimum 20 grade of concrete are used. Okay, so let's see the different concreting grade. Then its mixed proportion, mixed ratio, and its compressive strength. So first one is normal grade of concrete. So under this normal grade of concrete, M5, M7.5, M10, M15, and M20 grade is. So for M5 grade, its mixed ratio is 1:15:10, and its compressive strength, that is after 28 days, its compressive strength is 5 MPa, that means megapascal or Newton per mm square. Okay, so next for M7.5 grade of concrete, its mixed ratio is 1:4:8, and its compressive strength is, that means after 28 days, compressive strength is 7.5 MPa. Then for M10 grade, mixed ratio is 1:3:6. Its compressive strength after 28 days is 10 MPa. Okay, that means the M means the mix and suffix 10 means the after 28 days compressive strength, and it is measured in Newton per mm square. Okay, so next is M20, M15. So its mixed ratio is 1:2:4, and its compressive strength is 15 MPa or Newton per mm square. Similarly for M20, its mixed ratio is 1:1.5:3, and after 28 days compressive strength is 20 MPa. Then next, standard grade of concrete. Under the standard grade of concrete, we include M25, M30, M35, M40, and M45. Okay. Then next, high strength concrete grades. Under this grade of concrete, it include M50, M55, M60, M65, and M70. Okay, and its compressive strength is given, and its mixed design is depends on the, and it's used from the mixed design. The next, durability of concrete. So what is meant by the durability of concrete? So durable concrete can be defined as one that is designed, constructed, and maintained to perform satisfactorily in the expected environmental for the specified design life. Or one more definition is, in simple language, durability means the capacity to resist the force of disintegration due to the natural causes or action of other disintegration force or substance is called as durability of concrete. So durability is measure the effective useful age of concrete structure, and generally a durability is minimum 15 years and preferable 100 years is the most for modern concrete structure. Okay, So durability depends on the quality of material used for concreting and the method of placing, which method we use. Okay, then compacting and curing of concrete. So strictly quality control on this side plays an important role to increase the durability of that concrete. Okay, so let's see the factors affecting the concreting. So first factor is quality of material. Okay, so in that, which type of material we use and its quality, it's a very important role to increase the durability of concrete. And then next factor is construction method and type of formwork we use. So in that, we there are different type of formwork. For example, wooden formwork, steel formwork. Okay, so which type of formwork we use, it depends on the, we increase the durability of concrete. Okay, these are the factors affecting the durability of concrete. And next point is durability enhanced by. Okay, so in that, first is optimum water cement ratio, aggregate with high impact and crushing value, grading of aggregates, proper batching and mixing. Okay, then uniform compaction and long period of curing. Okay, the next point is causes of disintegration of concrete. So in that, first cause is design and construction defects, then poor quality material, then environment, corrosion of reinforcement, and chemical attack, abrasion, and alternate loading. So in that, weathering by alternate heating and cooling by alternate expansion and contraction of that concreting member, and weathering by rain or frost, and chemical attack by waste sewage, industrial effluents, and animal and vegetable oil and seawater, etc. Then abrasion by food, vehicular traffic, and wind particles. And in alternate loading and fatigue due to the alternate loading by machine, girder, and crane, etc. Okay, these are the causes of disintegration of concrete. Then next point is water cement ratio. So water cement ratio is defined as the ratio by weight of water to the weight of cement, and it is expressed as a percentage or a decimal fraction in cement mortar or cement concrete. Okay, so it is a ratio of weight of water or divided by weight of cement. That means W suffix W and W suffix cement. That means weight of water, and here weight of C means cement. Okay, so it is a ratio of weight of water and weight of cement, and it is expressed as a percentage. Then next point is Duff-Abrams law. So water cement ratio is one of the important parameters which govern the strength of concrete, and in general, the strength of concrete depends on the strength of cement paste, and the strength of cement paste depends on the amount of cement in it. And the more dilute the paste, the larger the strength. So in this, some things are stated by the Duff-Abrams in 1918, which is known as Duff-Abrams law. So it states that the strength of concrete is only depends on the water cement ratio. So Duff-Abrams law is stated that S is equal to A divided by B suffix W C or X. Okay, so X means the water cement ratio. So in that, S means S is the strength of concrete. Then A and B are the constant values. So A is equal to 14,000 pounds and B is equal to 7. And X means water cement ratio. So it is vary from 0.3 to 1.20. Okay. So this is our Duff-Abrams law. So it states that the strength of concrete is only depends upon the water cement ratio, provides that all the factors are identical and the mix is workable. The next point is a relation between strength and water cement ratio of concrete. So over this x-axis, it includes water cement ratio, and over this y-axis, strength of concrete, compressive strength of concrete in Newton per mm square. So from the graph, it is clear that at lower water cement ratio is used when concrete is vibrated to achieve a strength, while at higher water cement ratio concrete to be compacted with hand. Okay. So thus lower the water cement ratio, greater its strength and greater its strength of concrete, and its strength decrease as water cement ratio is increased. Okay. So it has been observed that 0.4 water cement ratio is just sufficient to hydrate each cement particles completely, and the cement gets formed during hydration of cement occupies space by water. Okay. So generally 0.4 water cement ratio is sufficient for whole hydration of cement. Okay. The next point is maximum water cement ratio for different grade of concrete for different exposed conditions. In that first, let's see the for plain concreting. So there is a table. In that first column is serial number, second column is exposed conditions, then maximum water cement ratio, and last column is minimum grade of concrete. So in that first condition is mild. So for this minimum water cement ratio is used 0.60, and its minimum grade of concrete is used below the M15. Okay. The next condition is moderate. For this maximum water cement ratio is 0.06. Its minimum grade of concrete is M15. Okay. M means mix and suffix 15 means compressive strength after 28 days, and it is measured in Newton per mm square. The next third one exposure condition is severe. So for this maximum water cement ratio is 0.50 and its minimum grade of concrete is M20. Then next condition is very severe. Its maximum water cement ratio is 0.45 and its minimum grade of concrete is M20. And the last, for extreme condition, maximum water cement ratio is 0.40 and minimum grade of concrete is used M25. The next for let's say the for reinforced concrete structure. So for this same chart is there, serial number, environmental exposed condition, maximum water cement ratio, and minimum grade of concrete. Suppose for mild condition, maximum water cement ratio is 0.55 and its minimum grade of concrete is M20. Then for moderate condition, maximum water cement ratio is 0.50 and its minimum grade of concrete is M25. Then third one is for severe conditions, maximum grade of concrete, maximum water cement ratio is 0.45 and minimum grade of concrete is M30. And the last for very severe, maximum water cement ratio is 0.45 and minimum grade of concrete is M35.